Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, Clashers. Ever wanted to practice your moves or try out a wild new deck without losing any precious trophies? That's exactly what friendly battles are for in Clash Royale. They offer a fantastic, low-stakes environment, perfect for honing your skills and having some fun with your clanmates. It's an essential part of becoming a better player, allowing you to experiment freely and learn from every match. Starting a friendly battle is super easy. First, open Clash Royale and head over to your clan tab. You'll then see a distinct blue Friendly Battle button right there, near your clan chat. Just give it a tap, and a challenge will be instantly posted for everyone in your clan to see and accept. It's a straightforward way to get a match going quickly. Before you send out that friendly challenge, remember you have a few options to customize it. You can easily pick any deck you want to use, whether it's your trusty ladder deck or a completely experimental one. Plus, decide if you want a classic 1 versus 1 duel or a fun 2 versus 2 team battle. Occasionally, special event modes become available too, making these friendly matches even more diverse and exciting. Friendly battles aren't just for casual fun, they're powerful training grounds. Use them to test out new cards you've unlocked before committing to valuable upgrades. Practice your tricky card placements or precise spell timings without any penalty for mistakes. Plus, you can learn so much by watching your clanmates' replays from these battles, discussing different strategies, and improving together. So why are friendly battles so great? Well, first, there's absolutely no risk of losing trophies, so you can play stress-free and just enjoy the game. They also build fantastic communication and camaraderie within your clan, strengthening your team. Ultimately, friendly battles are an excellent, enjoyable way to continuously improve your game, making you a stronger clasher. Start challenging your clanmates today.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.